So as an association, you know the difficulties in putting together your workshops and seminars. There's a lot of things that go into planning it. How do you make it more exciting? I had a chance to meet with Matt Harpold here at OmniPress and talk about how meeting planners could really turn that workshop into more of an event, something really exciting.
You work with a lot of AMCs, a lot of meeting planners, right? So they're used to putting together big events, organizing hundreds, thousands of people coming together. What are some of the things that the meeting planners think about that, you know, could pertain to some of the program coordinators?
The piece that could be leveraged, I think, a little bit more is the learning you can make on the connection side.
Sure.
Learning from your peers.
A little social hour,
Have a social hour, happy hour, or even go and just get dinner.
And actually get together with some friends, right, and colleagues, and learn about some things on an informal basis about the industry and some things that they're dealing with. Or even take advantage of, you know, let's say you're in Pittsburgh, for example, or something, and there's something in the industry that your group is coming together on. You know, do a field trip, or something of that nature.
You learn more about the area, the culture that's around those spots, and really learn things that are outside of that classroom.
An example that I was just thinking about now is maybe your association is focused on food or food safety or restaurants or something of that nature, and so you may get together to raise money for food pantries in the local area, or you may get together and clean up a park.
And kind of making it more of a event rather than just having I'm here just to learn. Sometimes you can learn things outside of a classroom.
Thanks, Matt. Great conversation. Hope you have a few takeaways that you can implement with your next workshop or seminar. And if you do, please leave us a comment so that other people can see what's going on and really benefit from your ideas as well. Thanks for your time.